didn't say I had no ideas. Perfectly fine. Joffrey's. So we can get that. No, it's Starbucks. Joffrey's does the Passover.
I would say the new Shoppers would be.
Get them on the way back. Check them out. Isn't that cool? I love it. Definitely.
Longest chin scarf with a juggler. I'm still doing it. That's not really a real. That's not a record. It's not a real. Not an option for a record. It feels like a record. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. He said not quite. You're close. You're close. You're close.
Aw, we'll have to walk back through there. Look, guys. Look at the walls. We can't go this way. What? What? Look at the walls, you guys. What is missing from this picture? What is missing? The arch. The Disney Studios arch. What? Wow, that changes the landscape over here. Holy cats. Look at that. What is missing? What is missing? That's insane. Wow. Need the ramp. It's crazy. So crazy. That's what he's showing today. Oh, it's open today.
Yep.
Pixar's Landing is open.
During the day, normally I thought.
And Pixar characters are out. There's Mr. Freeze.
Oh, they do the dance party.
Check it out, guys. Check it out, you guys. Pixar Place is open. There's Mr. Freeze.
Frozen.
Sully's down there. There's Mrs. Incredible. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
The Edna Mose Experience, 9 to 5.
Oh.
What is that?
I don't know. We'll have to come back 9 to 5 and do it.
And Sully's down here at the end. They don't ever open this. And there's Mrs. Incredible. She's a beast. Let's go back this way. That's the first time we've met Mr.
Frozen.
Yeah, Frozo. I'm getting my
Zone.
Pixar. This is where you used to go into the ride.
Jack Jacks.
There's little baby Jack Jack. It's up there.
We got rid of all the little footprints.
Thermos. As big as my husband. Jack's Num Num cookie. Yeah, all his laser. He used to have laser up the wall and his footprints. Oh, wait, there's one. Oh, well, they took them all down. So, Biggie had to have the Jack and Num Num cookie.
You get it right here in Pixar Land, right at the...
I'm impressed that we even, they're open.
Look
There
at
it is.
that. Ooh.
The Num Num cookie. See? His hand? He's got big hands, dude. Look at that. Num Num cookie. It's supposed to be a warm, gooey chocolate chip cookie.
It is
That's
warm.
all.
It's yummy.
All right. And there's old Gertie. There's the tree. What would you do if you could say, my spouse helped put that there? What would you do? I mean, how cool could that be? My spouse did that. What would you do? Very cool. You hear all the birds? These trees are full of birds. Look. It's just slap full today. All of them. Crazy. Crazy. Here. Look at them all. They're just, I know that I think they're just out. This is where the last bit of the sun is before it sets. They are everywhere.
That's where the snacks are. They know.
I mean, Gertie tail. Here she is, she's doing her thing. Got her hat.
Smoking.
I don't know why these aren't the dinosaurs that do that, but it's okay. She's so cute. There's Miss Daisy. Some reindeer.
And Donald's up here.
They used to be out front. There's the lakefront with all the Christmas balls in it. Isn't that great? There's Donald.
Hi friends, once again, Donald is just roaming.
Excuse us.
Excuse me.
Guaranteed for any photos, we are just looking for Donald first. But I'm not seeing a lot.
More decorations. Look at all
The
the
Donald outfit. I'm gonna tell her Donald's over there. The picture of it.
all the pretty wreaths up there. It's got a train in that one.
Oh wow.
Check that out.
Well, Nani? Yes. Beautiful. Good listeners.
Oh, check the garland out. This is so cool. Look, you guys. I don't know if you've ever stopped and looked at it. It's got ribbon candy in it and everything. It's really pretty. Here's the poodles, pink poodles. Back out here where it's all decked out.
Here.
Woohoo! See, it pays to be in the marching band in high school. Look at that. There they are, marching away.
High stepping too. If you're just getting here, come back and get it before you leave too. Okay. Aww. Cool.
Are they running? Yes, they're
Yes.
running.
They're kicking the rockets.
Everybody like this, I'm like,
Go!
We're going. Hard at work, hard at work. I love it.
I'll go somewhere. You guys want to go to the tower or rock?
Yeah, it's not. Goodbye, Hollywood Studios. Goodbye. We won't get to see you for another whole year. What am I going to do with myself? What? Goodbye, Hollywood Studios. We're gonna not see you for a whole year.
Till next year.
What are we going to do? This is horrible. This is the last day for us. Horrible. Goodbye, Hollywood Studios. Goodbye. We will miss you through and through. We're out front again already, like there's security. This is horrible. What am I gonna do? What are we gonna do with all this free time? What? I don't wanna leave. We don't ever come to this park hardly. What am I gonna do? Look, there's the Skyliner. What are we gonna do? Really? Oh. What am I gonna do with all this free time? Holy cats, what? Really? Oh, what? Look, I can't believe it. How do you guys do this? How? It's terrible. How do you guys do this?